Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply an e-visa to Namibia. In other words, visa on arrival that comes under e-services. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened Republic of Namibia, Ministry of Home Affairs, Immigration, Safety and Security. So under e-services, you have this option visa on arrival. Okay, so this it gives you 30 days of visa on arrival. Okay, okay, these are the following countries who can apply. Like you gotta be a passport holder of one of these countries if you wanna apply. You can search for your country, like let's say you're Canadian. Can you? Yes, I can. Perfect. Let's say you are an Indian. Can you do? No, an Indian cannot. Okay, fine. Whatever nationality, like there are other kinds of visa. All right. So if you're coming for the first time, click on new visa on arrival. But the process is simple. You got to do the online application payment, and then if granted, you're all good to go. So for the first time you come, click on this. So you can create one account here, or else you can log in using your Google account. So I create an account. Okay. So name, email address, password, confirm registered. Okay. If you already registered or you want to sign it with Google, you can go with this. So it's up to you. So I'm going to do this step and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay. So I registered and signed in. So I'm going to click on visa on arrival under e-services. Okay. So because I'm coming for the first time, I'll click on new visa on arrival. And if you have an application going on, like current application, you can click on track and pay. Okay. So you need to fill as per your case. Okay. Don't go by what you see here. Fine. So I'm just putting sample information, marital status, gender, date of birth. Is there any way I can? Yeah, I can select the date from here. This is better. Country of birth. Yeah, place of birth. Passport number. Do it as per your own case. Citizenship. Okay. So you should be one of these countries that are listed here. A citizen of these countries. Place of issue. This you'll find in your passport itself. All these are sample values. Date of issue, date of expiry. Sample. Passport valid for travel. Yes. What is the purpose of travel? So I select holiday. Will you have money on arrival in Namibia? Yes. How much Namibian currency? You can check it and do conversion. Will you in possession of onward return ticket? Select yes. Booking reference number it has asked. So if you have already booked the ticket, you should have it. Intended date and port of arrival. Okay. Mode of travel. Places to visit. Okay. Provide full details where you visit, including phone number, extra. Required documents, passport photo, passport declaration, and proceed where you're going to make the payments. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.